Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your Oculus account. Whether you are trying to log into your Oculus account or enter any of your privacy settings, you will need to type in your password now and then. If you don't remember your password, then here is a straightforward process to recover your account. Simply go ahead and tap on the Forgot Password link, and you will now need to enter the 8 characters code sent to you via your email address. Copy the code that you received and paste it inside the confirmation code tab. Finally, click continue, and now you will get to create a new password for your account. Make sure to create a password with at least 6 letters and numbers included in it, and always create a strong password so that no one will be able to access to your account. Once you are done entering the new password, confirm it by retyping it again in the next field. Finally, tap on continue, and whenever you are trying to log into your account next time, you will now need to enter the newly created password. So that is how you can easily recover your Oculus account even if you've forgotten your password during logging in or whenever needed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.